My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the new adware type application called NanoBoost. NanoBoost is a new adware attacking many Mac computers these days. NanoBoost adware, once installed, may start to periodically display its really intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So if this NanoBoost adware was found on your computer somewhere or another, the only correct conclusion in this case is to get rid of this adware. To get rid of it, you need to check your Finder, check your applications, locate this adware called NanoBoost, right-click on it, and then move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your system in order to detect and remove other infections which could still possibly remain on your device. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.